Vedder. I'm at the parking lot right now. I'm waiting for my friend, but he's not coming right away, so I'm just gonna go towards the river and I'll meet him there. Right now I'm just walking towards the fishing hole. It's about 1K walk, guys. It's a good exercise with the heavy gear, all the weight that you have to use for fishing. What a beautiful day today though. So gorgeous. It's about 12 degrees when I left home. So here I'm not really sure. Actually look, the temperature here is a bit colder. Well, I'm by the river now, so that's probably why. But anyway, I'll do some video when I get to the river. I'm just close to the river now. I'll show you the pathway that I had to go down. This is towards the river. So this is the pathway. Hopefully I don't slide here. Yeah, it's that was steep down, but it doesn't look like in your video, but it is. Now check this out. I had to go under the trees. Pretty cool. There we go. Now I'm in the river. There's a lot of fishermen out there. Nice. So this is the river, guys, that I'm going to fish. Beautiful, beautiful river. Today I got my fisher. There, got one spring. So this other guy is right there. I'll show you guys. They got those guys there. They got 4 fish. It's a good fishing today. There's a lot of fish for sure. So again, that's mine right there. For today, it's a white spring, but hey, it's a fish. So a lot of people want fish. I like fishing, but I just like to give it away. Anyway, I'm gonna go help my friend catch his fish. Because I have a friend with me here fishing. Hopefully I can cut one for him too. That would be awesome. Again, we're fishing right there. As you can see, there's people fishing. A lot of people. So that's it for now. So hopefully I got more. Fish on, whoa! Big fish. Chrome, very. That was a big fish, guys. It's going down. Yeah, that's what it is. With the net. Nice fish. Oh, it did come off. Too bad. That was a nice fish. Oh my God, man. Seriously. What a nice day to go fishing though. Beautiful day. Fish on. There we go. It's taking off.
Not a chum.
Not a chum.
Spring. I see a chum.
And then it snags everyone.
Yeah.
Well, he snagged everybody already so far today. Watch out for that log.
Watch out for the log.
Start fucking reeling, idiot.
Just waiting for the fish to go down. I think it's coming up. Fish is coming up. No, he's right there. Hook him good. Oh, lost him. Oh, damn, lost the fish. Well, I'll just show you guys my fish. I'm gonna clean it. It's 1:45 now in the afternoon. So clean it and then we'll be fish for a few minutes. I'm ready to go. I'll show you guys the fish that I caught. So right there, guys, I tied him up. This is about 20 pounders, I think. Oh, maybe less. But yeah, that's the one I caught today. There's still lots of fishermen here trying to catch their fish. My buddy is still there fishing. But fisherman's life. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. So anyway, I'm gonna clean my fish, guys. He's fishing, and yeah, I only got one. I hooked 6, but he got away. I reeled in 1, and yeah, it's good enough. Drive here for like an hour to get to the fishing hole, but at least I got one. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.